to my channel. Hope you're having a great week and enjoying life. Know the weather's not great because it's been raining every day, but you know, we move. If you're new here, my name is Carlie. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. That would mean so much to me. Thanks. So, today's video, everyone, is going to be my 4, I don't know, I'm holding up that hand, 4 go-to hairstyles. Like, if I'm going out or I'm doing something where I don't want to just have my hair straight like this. I mean, straightening would be one of my hairstyles, but I feel like that might be a bit too boring, so I'm going to do things other than straightening my hair, which I always do. So, other hairstyles that I would use, that's what's going to be featured in this vid. So, they're really easy, they're really simple. I ain't a hairdresser. I ain't really good at hair either, so I just do things that are easy, that look alright. So, first hairstyle is going to be, so I'm brushing my hair with my Tangle Teaser, which is like purple and lilac-y. So what I'm going to do, is I'm going to get these bits at the front, the short ones, and I'm going to section that off from the back. Make sure that's equal. I think so. I'm so blind I can hardly tell. Oh no, wait, there's extra. See? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get these 2 bits, grab a little elastic band and just tie it out of the way for a second or 2, yeah? And then what I'm going to do, is I'm going to get the rest of my hair. I know I look like a right knobhead, but this is the method that works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush all my hair back. Obviously not the bit that's in the front section. Yeah. And then I'm going to tie it up in a ponytail. Right, make sure it's nice and high. Right, so now I've got it there. I'm going to secure that with a hairband. Undo the front bits. Brush them to the side. And that is hairstyle number 1. I know it's not very elaborate, but it's like simple but effective. You know, you've got the hair up at the back, and you've got the hair at the front to frame your face. I just love this hair look, especially if your hair is dirty and you don't want to wash it. You just put a bit of dry shampoo in and bang it up like this. Done, and it still looks like you made an effort. So this is one of my favourite hairstyles. So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be a plait. So, let me just take my hair out of this. So just brush all the hair down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it all to one side. I take it to the right. And I just like gather it together. I'll take these bits out the front now. I only recently got these front bits done, so before the front bits I was just doing these hairstyles without the front bits, and I feel like the front bits just make it a bit more effective. So all I'm going to do is a 3-strand plait. Right, so that's the plait done. I do like to loosen it a bit just to give it more of a relaxed vibe. Bit like that. Yeah, bit like that. So that's number 2. I love this look because in summer, if you want to have your hair off your face but you don't want it like in a bun, you still want it to look nice, you could use this look because it's very easy, very simple, and very, you know, stylish, and it still looks very nice. And also just pulling out a bit of, you know, bits at the sides a little bit makes it look just a bit more edgy, a bit more rough and ready, doesn't it? So that's hairstyle number 2. So them hairstyles are perfect. I use them too in the summer loads because I just, you know, when it's too hot, you don't want your hair around your face, on your neck or anything, do you? So the next hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down. Now, I do this when it's curly, do it when it's straight. I don't really mind. I do it either way. So I'm getting the bits at the front again, separating them. I like how to do it, I like doing it curly and I like doing it straight. It just depends, but I'm just going to do it straight for this look. So again, grab them 2 bits at the front. Only if you have the 2 bits. If you have short bits at the front, then grab them obviously. Put them in the ponytail. Yep. This is what I do just to separate the hair. And then I just go like from my ears, like diagonally up to get the half up section. And then just brush that half up bit out. Oh my god. Right. Make sure it's tight and then grab hairband. Oh, that's got a bit of a kink in it. Anyways, so tie that up. Right, make that nice and high. Brush it out. So that's nice and high. Then undo these 2 bits. Grab your hairbrush, brush them out. Now at this point, sometimes I would then curl the bits that are out, right? Right, so that's the half up, half down hairstyle. I just like it because it's very simple. Because when you wear it like at the back, it looks like you've got a ponytail. Then you can wear it at the front and it just makes your hair look, I don't know, I just like it. And then I have these bits at the front to frame the face and all that stuff. And yeah, it's just something different really, to be honest. And yeah, I just like it. So the last hairstyle is going to be me curling my hair. That's kind of how I wear it, other than straightening it and all these other hairstyles. So yeah, the final look is going to be me curling my hair. I'm using my straighteners to curl my hair today, so that's just how that's how I've been doing it recently. So I just thought I'd choose the straighteners to curl my hair. And also it's quite easy when you want to, say if you was going on holiday or something and taking a straightener and a curler, that's quite a lot of weight in your suitcase, isn't it? So taking just a straightener that can curl and straighten your hair, just easy and multi-purpose, isn't it? So I'll just show you how I curl my hair in this part of the video. So I'm just going to section off my hair. I don't really like to do too small sections because then it turns more ringly than it, so I like that. The bigger ones, the bigger curls. So I'm just going to section that off and then grab my straightener, get a section, and then I just like, don't know why that didn't work. Okay, this is embarrassing. Trust me, to want to curl my hair and on the video it doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Worked. Oh my god, nearly panicked then. So that worked. So it just gives a nice kind of loose curl. Perfect. And the other method I use is like you wrap it round the straightener and then that gives it a different kind of curl, but they're both cute and good. So I'll see you once I'm done. look complete curly hair. As you can see, it's quite nice and like kind of like more like looser curls rather than tight ringlets. I just like it this way because it looks more like curly blow dry, don't it, really, I guess. I mean, maybe it does, maybe it don't, but I just like the way it looks. That is the 4 hairstyles, my go-to hairstyles, complete. So they're the 4 hairstyles I would go for, other than straightening my hair. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Leave any comments down below. You know, what are your favourite hairstyles to wear? Recommend me any hairstyles and I'll give them a go. Like, to be honest, I love mixing up what I do with my hair. So leave that down in the comments if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And yeah, hope you got some inspiration for a new hairstyle for yourself. Hope you enjoy your week to come. Hope you enjoy the weekend. I mean, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.